In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error in Cloudflare when using Hostinger. If you're seeing this error on your website, don't panic. A 502 bad gateway error usually means that Cloudflare is unable to properly communicate with your Hostinger server. The good news is that in most cases, this is quick and easy to fix. I'll walk you through each step so you can get your website back online fast. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical website tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is check if your Hostinger server is actually running. Log into your Hostinger account, then go to Websites. Click on Manage next to your domain and look for Hosting Status. Here, you'll be able to see whether your server is active and running properly. If the server is down or under maintenance, that's likely the cause of the 502 error. In that case, you may need to wait a few minutes or contact Hostinger support. If everything shows as running, then we move on to the next step. The second step is to clear your website and browser cache. Sometimes the 502 bad gateway error is caused by cache data that's outdated or corrupted. Start by clearing your browser cache. In most browsers, you can do this by going to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and selecting Clear Browsing Data. After clearing the cache, close your browser completely and reopen it before testing your website again. If you're using any caching plugins on WordPress or another CMS, clear that cache as well from your website dashboard. Once done, refresh your website and see if the issue is resolved. If the error is still there, the next step is to check your DNS records. This is very important, especially if you're using Cloudflare. Go to your Cloudflare dashboard, select your domain, and open the DNS section. Look at your A record and make sure it points to the correct Hostinger server IP address. You can find your correct server IP inside your Hostinger hosting details. If the IP address in Cloudflare does not match your Hostinger server IP, update it and save the changes. DNS updates can take a few minutes to propagate, so give it a little time and then test your website again. Another common reason for a 502 bad gateway error is temporary server overload. Sometimes the server is receiving too many requests or restarting services in the background. If everything looks correct in hosting during Cloudflare, simply wait a few minutes and then refresh your website. You can also try accessing your site in an incognito window or from a different device to confirm whether the issue is persistent. In most cases, one of these steps will fix the problem. Either the server was briefly down, the cache needed clearing, or the DNS record was pointing to the wrong IP address. Once corrected, your website should load normally without the 502 error. And that's how you fix the 502 bad gateway Cloudflare error in Hostinger step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Hostinger, Cloudflare, and website troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.